The Rustic Brush experience is a completely social crafting experience where you can come in with your family, your friends, your colleagues, and to be able to lead through a workshop from sanding down your wood boards to staining it, to building it, painting it, and then being able to put something on your wall all within 3 hours. It's just amazing.
We offer complete variety in terms of projects for our guests. You can have a group of 10 folks, 10 family friends come in, and everyone makes across a different project.
Building memories with one another is just so important now with the day and age of technology where it's so hard to, I have 2 children, so it's hard to get their attention, right? And to have undivided attention. So it's important to spend more time with individuals that you love to build something, and not just a tangible item, but a more intangible, such as your time.
We don't have customers, we have guests. We're expecting these are our friends, so we have everything prepared for them. While they're with us, we take care of them as our friends in our own home.
Some of the emotions that I feel when I see our guests come in and they leave with something that they're just so proud of, and then the memories that they get to build with their friends and family, just that excitement and that sense of pride, and you just can't replace that connectivity that they've built in just that 3 hour in our workshop.
And with the guidance, they create a project themselves, and there's a big reveal in the very end. There's just a sense of accomplishment, like, wow, I did that.